Hello everybody, this is TL Cooking. Today I'm going to make some pumpkin streusel muffins. And this is new to me, so we're going to see about how they turn out. I'm going to start with 1 cup of sugar, 1 can of pumpkin, and we'll just use a whole 15-ounce can, and 2 whole eggs, 1 stick of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. Then we're going to blend this all over so it all comes together. It's all mixed together. Alright, now we're going to put in our dry ingredients. I'm going to get my sifter. I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I'm just going to sift that all together in here. Put that back on. My beater back on. Put my towel over it so I don't get flour all over everything. Okay. Mix it all together. There we go. So much nicer than having flour everywhere. Now I'm going to use my copper muffin pan, so I don't have to oil or spray it or anything. Use a regular pan, you're going to have to spray it, or you can use the muffin liners. That is good with that. I'm going to fill these about 2/3 full. This ice cream scooper works perfect. A little bit more here. Bring this out here. There we go. Okay. Now, on this, I'm going to put a streusel topping. Now, I had already mixed up the streusel topping from when I used it the other day on my yogurt muffins. So what I have in here is 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 a cup of sugar, 1/4 a cup of flour, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now I just mixed it all up, and I had some left over, so I just put it in a bag and I put it in the freezer. So now I'm just going to sprinkle these on. Nice little dusting. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the oven, 350-degree preheat oven for about 20 minutes, and then we'll be right back. So this is what they look like. Just got them out of the oven. I'm going to serve them with some butter. Just open them up with butter and leave that melt on them. I hope you enjoy this. This is Teal Cooking. Thank you.